Hey everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you to an amazing packaging equipment, the Shanghai Acepack horizontal packing machine. This packing machine has numerous advantages and powerful functions. It boasts high-speed packaging capabilities, enabling it to complete the packaging of a large quantity of products in a short period. This significantly enhances production efficiency and saves valuable time costs for enterprises. Moreover, it offers extremely high packaging accuracy, ensuring that the weight or volume of products in each package is precisely correct. This effectively guarantees the consistency of product quality, so that consumers always receive high-quality products. What makes it truly remarkable is its cleverly designed filling device. By simply replacing the filling device, you can easily switch between the filling methods for powders and liquids. This means that one machine can meet the packaging needs of products in different forms, truly achieving multi-functionality. It saves enterprises the cost and space of purchasing multiple different types of packing machines, offering extremely high cost effectiveness. If you are struggling to find a HIGH efficiency precise and multifunctional packing machine, then the Shanghai Acepack horizontal packing machine is definitely your top choice.